Okay, we have dealt with that issue. Now, we also have a preliminary issue to deal with before we go to deal with the withdrawal issue. I don't know whether this should come before or at the tail end. I wanted to, okay, maybe since I wanted to deal with it as one file, there is another application for summons to one Walter Orlando in 003. Is by who?
By Dr. Permission.
Yes.
On behalf of the third respondent,
Yes.
we have filed an application.
Yes.
Dated third of
That is
Why?
Mwai, sorry. I'm trying to. This Mwai. Yes.
Yeah, we have filed an application dated 3rd October 2022.
Daktari aliniambia nikae vizuri. Nisiumize mgongo. Naumia haki. But city posted ilete shida. File an application dated 3rd
October.
to summon Mr.
My Lord, that is one of the prayers in that application.
Yes.
This application, if we dispense with it, it's actually the main prayer is seeking to strike out the petition. That is what we are seeking, yes.
Okay.
But yes, we wish to summon the process server.
Okay. I thought there were two. The one for striking out.
Yes.
Is one.
It is one application.
Oh,
those prayers are in the same application.
Okay. So how do you want to go about?
My Lord, we were of the view that if this application is dealt with fast, then this court will be able to determine whether there is indeed a petition before it.
Mm-hmm.
And we were seeking that before we take any further direction,
Yes.
we deal first with this particular application.
The one to strike out.
Yes, my Lord.
What do the rest feel? That is a view that we should deal with this particular one first. We ask, okay, we are now in petition number 3. Okay. For the purpose, because we cannot do what we were to finish doing before we address that issue she's raising here. Let me hear what Mr. Ochoki would respond.
My Lord, first of all, we took hearing dates yesterday.
Yes.
Those dates are convenient to the petitioner in petition 3 of 2022. That is for a start. I'm looking at the election petition rules 2017.
Yesterday are convenient to the petition.
The petitioner in petition number 3 of 2022. Just to confirm, possibly my colleague, Mr. Kimori, will also update him on the dates to confirm whether they're available to him. My Lord, looking at the election petition rules 2017, that's parliamentary and county elections. And as of today, we've come for pre-trial conference, and Rule 15 gives guidelines as to how we should go about it. So that, yes, we need to start with what issues are contested and contested. We analyze issues of solving contested issues, then we can address the issue of the interlocutory applications. So that my learned sister, Miss Mwai, Mwai has jumped the gun, or so to say. It's premature for her to seek that we deal with interlocutory applications as at this stage, before we even address the issue of what is contested or what, and how we are going to even generally deal with even whether there will be leave granted to file further affidavits or such. So my request is that we deal with the pre-trial, my lord, as per the guidelines of Rule 15 of the election between 2017, so that there is no confusion. So as at now, I will be requesting that we defer Ms. Mwai's request that that application takes place, because my instructions from Mr. Nabikoyo, and I'll be seeking to be granted leave to respond to all applications as I
Mr. Kimor.
My Lord, Rule 15 can't be read in piecemeal as a whole. It says that where applications have been filed, the court will give directions over the same. My Lord, we have equally filed an application that is for the first and second respondent, application dated 27th September 2022.
Yes. That one application. Sorry, is that application for?
Striking out the petition.
Oh, a similar application.
A similar application.
Okay. We were aware of only one, or rather, I was aware of only one. Okay, it's okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
And we are of the same view taken by Ms. Mwai. That there is likelihood of saving the precious judicial time if the application and our application are heard in the first instance. So there is possibility of dispensing the entire petition altogether at this preliminary stage. We will therefore be seeking directions as to how to proceed with the applications at this arbitrary stage. We have no objection to the prayer sought by Ms. Mwai.
Okay, I've had you. Mr. Nyamira.
My Lord, I fully associate myself with the statements by my colleague Ms. Mwai. We are one team at this people.
Sorry?
We are one team, and therefore.
Oh, sorry. I should not even have given you that one.
Yeah, we are one team.
Sorry, you are one team.
This is
You are one team. I'm sorry for.
Lord, for purposes of clarity, the number 3, it is Mwai who is on record. But because we will be conjoined after the
so I should have indicated you are conjoined. Okay, Mr. Mwai, for third response. Okay, it's okay. I get it. So I should have given you another chance to have a bite. I think I need to retire briefly, look at what Rule 15 says.
Not before you retire,
Yes.
there is a response that you have to put because of the submission that
Yeah, my Lord, with your kind permission.
Yes. I wasn't seeing her on her feet and assumed
Yes.
she didn't have anything to say. Yes, Ms.
My Lord, why we brought this issue of our application beforehand is that we had mentioned the issue of consolidation yesterday.
Yes.
My Lord, our view is that there is no petition before you, and therefore you cannot consolidate an unpetition. My Lord, you've been referred to Rule 15, and that rule actually gives you power to determine interlocutory applications at the pre-trial stage. So our view is that there is no petition before you. We cannot consolidate a petition that is not there, and we therefore need to deal with this issue. My Lord, I'll also refer you to Rule 15, Sub-Rule 2, where this court is also informed not to entertain any other interlocutory applications after this stage. Therefore, that's why we are raising these issues at this stage. And indeed, it is for purposes of saving the precious judicial time. If we deal with this issue, then the court can actually know determine whether there is indeed a petition before it or not. That's all.
Can I question?
No. You know the rules of the game, Mr. Choki?
I wanted to say we are not opposed
To
her proposal.
To
all
strike
that
out.
we are saying to that application being had, all that we are saying, let's be systematic, my Lord. Let's deal with issues as they come, as they are provided for. My colleague already jumped to 15.
Getting what you are not supposed to have through the back door? Mr. Choki, wacha to stick kwa rules again. Wacha nifanye niangalie, ni retire a few minutes. I look at the relevant law and then render a ruling, and then we proceed from there.
That's fine.
Yeah, briefly.